Hey folks, beautiful day like this. Looking around for my neighbors and they're all hunkered down inside like the rest of us because during this time they've asked us to stay at home. That's why I'm here on the steps. But you know, you could do a lot with this time that you've got. I mean, we could all view this as more of a gift. Not the fact that people are getting hurt and people are getting sick and that people are losing their jobs, but the fact that you might be able to learn something new that you could apply to make your life more enjoyable. Maybe one of those things is trading like I do every day, like my brother Pete does, like literally millions of people do, but you don't want to necessarily do it like Dave Portnoy does it. Now, Dave is a brilliant guy. Dave is the founder of Barstool Sports, and David basically got a big chunk of money, over $300 million, for a minority stake in his company, Barstool Sports, because Dave's a brilliant entrepreneur. And now he's trading. He's doing what Pete and I do, except he's not doing it with options, unfortunately. And Dave, my message to you is you could be doing it better, my friend. I would help you out if you ever wanted me to. I'd give you some training. And for the rest of you, you should think about whether or not you want to spend these 30 days that we're all stuck inside, away from our friends. Even if the weather's great like this, we can't go out in groups. You're mainly hunkered down inside, even at night. So what do? You could come on over to Market Rebellion and learn basics of options. So for instance, Dave, again, I'm using you as an example, my friend, even though I love you. Dave was trading Boeing this week, and Dave was shorting Boeing by his own admission.
Why do I even get involved with Boeing? I'm on the wrong side of Boeing every time. Every time.
And he took it hard the wrong way because he was selling Boeing and it went up.
Damn, I'm getting fucking slaughtered. I hate Boeing. I fucking hate them.
And that's a bad feeling, folks. Well, you could have done it, Dave, by buying put options and lost a lot less money. There's always ways that you can control your risk using options. And so my message to all of you, Dave Portnoy included, is maybe it's time that you really invested in yourself, that you learned more about how you can manage risk and maximize profits. We do it with options. My brother Pete and I have been doing it for almost 40 years combined, and I think it's something you guys should be looking at too, because it's a way to take that risk down, lets you sleep better at night, and you get to celebrate, bang, or giddy up, as Pete would say, when you make these big scores. So think about it. What are you going to do with these next 30 days? Are you just going to be the same person that comes out as the person that went in? Or do you want to speak a foreign language? I can't help you there. Do you want to learn how to ski and do backflips? I could sort of help you there, but not really from home. Where I could really help you is if you want to learn to trade. You want to learn to trade options? I can help you there. We have a whole team of people that have trained tens of thousands of investors how to trade and how to manage risk. I'd encourage you to check it out over at marketrebellion.com. So whether you're Dave Portnoy,
This guy,
don't be that guy, Dave, or whether you're you sitting around at home saying, you know, John, that's a great idea. If I come out of this being able to trade puts and calls, I'd be a better investor. I'd have less risk in the market, and maybe I make money for a change instead of just burning it. Think about it, folks. Make these 30 days count. Get better at something. And if your something is trading like it is for me, check out marketrebellion.com.